Hey folks, got a 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Customer states that the engine light is on. There it is. And she also got something in a text from Hyundai saying that this might be a problem with the car, that you should make an appointment and bring it in. So I threw a scan in there, and this is what we came up with. P0455 evaporative emission system leak detected, large leak. Very rarely do you get a large leak unless it's really, really bad. You usually get that when you have a problem with the gas cap or something like that. All right, that's when you get a large leak. Usually small leaks is usually hoses and stuff like that, or something's disconnected when you have service done. All right, now if you look, customer has a little less than the full tank of gas. This is the one that had the gas door having a problem opening and closing. So the first thing I look at is the door. Check out the door. The door looks like it's propped open a little bit. See that? It's not flush. That's one sign. Second sign is da da da. Look at that. Gas cap is not even on. Okay. You think you have a big evap leak? You sure do. So, as you can see, it's got water in the cap because it poured rain the other night. So I guess it came in through here and it landed right there. And that's the problem. All right, so we're just gonna put that cap back on, reset the light, and off we go. All right. Like I said, sometimes it's a simple little thing. What do you think Hyundai would have charged her if she brought it to the dealership? You think they would have put the gas cap back on and say everything's okay and send you on your way? Or do you think they're gonna charge you for a service charge and just change something? They probably would have just changed the cap, charge you for the cap and charge you for labor. Or what else? Say that there was some hose broken or some solenoid. But either way, listen, they make money, right? So I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that little water off there because I don't want to put that back into the gas tank. All right, so I'm going to clean that off and send her on her way. All right, but yeah, that explains why the door was propped open. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Ciao. All right, so I'm going to attach the little email or the text or whatever Hyundai sends to you customers. All right, right now. You can read it. Now we're just going to put it together. Cleaned it all out, see? Nice and dry. Clean that area too. Put it in. All right. Once or twice. So make sure your cap is on. Remember, in Jersey, they pump the gas for you, so you gotta kind of have faith in the people that do that for you. But I'm gonna close it, and you see, the door is pretty much flush. All right, so you can see the difference there. All right, people, we're done. Thanks for watching. Ciao.